everyone, Maybe So here, aka Cotton Mike to the Tasty Trade World, bringing you my weekly trade summary for the week ending September 26th. For those of you in Tasty Trade World, you know that yesterday, the 25th, was 21 days to expiration into the October cycle. So yesterday was incredibly busy. I had a lot of adjustments that I had made that worked out really well, a lot of positions to close out, and a couple things that we rolled out to the next expiration cycle. Let's go over it. All right. Symbols closed this week. I need to put the date in here. What's today's date? 9/25. 9/25/2020. Save. All right. You saw that when we just closed Zoom. Made $252 on that. We had our Rite Aid earnings trade that went wrong. Lost $53 on that. Netflix. We made $145. PayPal, we lost 42 cents. Fastly, 60-cent profit on an iron condor. Etsy is not closed yet. Alibaba is not closed yet. Let's see if we can take a look at those real quick. So I wanted to interject for a second. I'm going really fast through this summary here. I just spent the previous hour and a half right before this live clip going through every single trade really thoroughly, really slowly. So if you're interested in seeing more details of these trades, check out my Twitch stream, twitch.tv/maybeso. Look up my previous videos. You can watch the whole thing. So they're not in here. Alibaba, Costco. Earnings was yesterday, so that we got a nice volatility contraction, not a contraption. $70 profit. Tesla Iron Condor. Oh, there's the Etsy. Etsy closes for $405. $9. That's what we call a cup of coffee. I have to credit fellow Tasty Trader Drywall for coining the term cup of coffee when you make a tiny amount of money on a trade. Not the trades you want to make, but you'll take them. Better than a sharp stick in the eye. All right, so that's Etsy right there. Oh, you guys can't see it. There it is. You guys can only see the top. All right, then we have Costco we did, Tesla we just said, NVIDIA, nice easy iron condor, never had to adjust it, collect 67 cents. IWM, we had two different iron condors. One of them made 56 cents, the other one made 14 cents. No real home runs there, but it all adds up. Peloton, 38 cents. Not as good as I was hoping for on that one. DocuSign, we lost 11 cents on this, and it was because I clicked the wrong price when I closed it. Full disclosure, always put your orders in at the mid price, not the natural. So DocuSign, that was my mistake. Clicked the wrong price, wound up losing 11 cents. It happens. Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo here. We had a call spread. I hate that company and want them to go down, so it's kind of a hate trade. They're unchanged today, so 6-cent profit is not what my target was, but time to take it off. Now, Chewy was a super complicated position. We had a Jade Lizard, we had to roll things down, make lots of adjustments, lots of adjustments. But we were able to only lose 17 cents. So we're really happy with that because it could have been much worse, and we made some pretty good adjustments and the stock came back a little bit, so we only lost 17 cents. CrowdStrike, I think we had a nice iron condor, adjusted it once, closed it out, 44-cent profit. It's fine. Nike, oh my goodness, I need to make this document taller. There we go. Nike, we did an earnings put ratio spread, made almost the full profit in a day. That's pretty good. 31 cents isn't a ton, but in a day, it's very good. Love is Southwest Airlines. Had a Jade Lizard in that. 69-cent profit. Nice. JP Morgan, Iron Condor with a one adjustment. Made 63 cents profit. JD.com, it's a website. I think it's a Japanese website. Iron Condor for 173. We rolled the calls once, closed it for 175, 58 cents profit. Crude oil, we sold a naked put in crude oil for 31, closed it for 18 cents, 13 cents profit. This is actually, crude oil is a future, not a stock. So this 13 cents is actually 10 times that. So that's $130 as opposed to $13. So that's pretty good. Beyond Burger, all of this is adding up. You've made a few $100s, right? Yeah, so I've got a summary at the bottom. We're almost there. So Beyond Burger, we sold an Iron Condor for 171, closed it for 39, 32 cents profit. Capital One, Iron Condor and closed it, no adjustments, 54 cents profit. Moderna, oh, I'm off the screen again. It's hard to get, I have to have it zoomed in so that the font is big enough, but it's hard to get it to all fit. Moderna, this needs to be updated, so I'll delete that real quick. Moderna, Iron Condor, 41 cents profit. I could have kept this on longer, but because of the volatility and like movement of anything related to the coronavirus vaccine right now, I was just happy to take 41 cents and move on. SPG is Simon Malls, kind of bearish on the malls right now. Had an Iron Condor that was skewed to the downside. The stock actually went up, so it was unprofitable for a while, and we took 25 cents profit when we could get it. So that is all of the trades. Updated morning profits. Put that there. And we will do updated morning losses here. Let's update our morning profits. We got the calculator. So we had 591 from what I added up last night. You'll have to trust me on that. Plus 67 from NVIDIA, plus 70 from IWM, plus 79 from Tesla, plus 70 from Costco, plus 60 from Fastly, plus 145 from Netflix, plus 252 from Zoom, plus 9 from Etsy, plus 74 from Starbucks. Wow, look at that. That is much better than I thought I had done this week. $1,417. And then the losses, okay, and then losses, we had 28 from last night, then we added 42 from PayPal and horribly 53 from Rite Aid, so that's 123. You tell me. Normal closing is 11. Feels like, oh, I didn't realize normal closing was that early. I mean, going from 11 to 10 doesn't feel like it's making any difference at all. So 1417 minus the 123, we made $1,200 and $1,294 last week, or this week. So that's the summary, little under $1,300 last week. And now looking forward to next expiration cycle, we have a challenge that we have to overcome. A lot of stocks have earnings between now and expiration. Last week, when I was looking to put on new positions, I realized just how many stocks have earnings between now and October expiration. So here's what you can do. You got to get directional, or you got to go with ETFs that don't have earnings reports. So that's what I started with this week. Lots and lots of ETFs, XLU, XLE, XLF, XOP, all of the big liquid ETFs I put on positions. Then you got to get directional, because you can't be delta neutral and have volatility expand and still make money, because the theta decay and the volatility expansion are going to cancel each other out. So you really can't go delta neutral. So that's it. That's the trade summary for this week. Next week I'll be on vacation, so I won't be live every morning like I normally am on Twitch. Twitch.tv/maybeso, Monday through Friday, roughly a half an hour before the market opens, up until about 2 hours after the market opens. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below, also the subscribe button on YouTube. You can follow me on Twitter @MaybeSoTV, and I will see you next week.